Okay, sit down. Licking your lips already. See if I can position this so that Karen can see it. Try it. Put it on right there. There you go. Hold on. Okay, wet your toothbrush. Bailey's toothbrush. Bailey's toothpaste. Like this, don't you? You're licking your lips. Okay, here we go. Open. No, not your paw. Open your mouth. Gimme. 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 There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Other side. To the other side. Don't leave it all. Let me see that. Oh, look. You put it on your ear. Got toothpaste on your ear. Oh, you're a crazy doggy. Smile for the camera. Alright, come here. Let me do the other side. Open. Come here. Open. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Another front. A little bit. Hold on, hold on. Gotta get the top. Let me get the top. Come here. Come here. Open. Good girl. There we go. Just a little bit on the bottom. Not your tongue. Almost done. There we go. Hold on. Yep. All I have to say is, should we go brush our teeth? And she's straight in here. Hold on. Good girl. You did get a bit on your ear. Say goodbye. Bye. Say goodbye. Good girl.